In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all text messages on iPhone. So first, you want to open up your messages, click on Edit and then select Messages. Then you just want to click on every messages. Now there isn't a faster way to do it, unfortunately, but what you can do, you have to unfortunately go one by one and select all of them. Then you click on delete at the bottom right, and that's basically it. On some versions of the iPhone, you can select messages and then just like scroll down. So if I select this, but it doesn't allow it here, same as you do with photos. So you would like select and then do this. For some reason, you can't do that in messages, at least on my iPhone, but I think on some you can. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.